All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So today we are going to, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Work on the bug? We're gonna put the pedals back in the bug. That way we can try to get this thing moving under its own power. The goal today would be to move it out of the garage and maybe take it down the road. But if we can't get it taken down the road, because I know I need to fine tune the carburetor a little bit as well, maybe we can just move it around in the backyard a little bit and then pull it back in under its own power. So that's kind of the goal for the day. Why are you hiding? Is the sun getting you? No. Oh, is that better? If I put you over here? Yeah. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's get started. All right. So the first step to getting these pedals installed back in here is getting this removed. That way we can pull our clutch cable in so we can get it hooked around the pedals. So let's get this off. Alright, got it off. Bent those a little bit, so I had to switch to the vice grips, but we'll get those straightened back out. I'm glad I have this access panel. That would have been a pain in the butt to do from the ground up. Alright, so now I should be able to reach in here and grab that clutch cable and pull it out. There we go. So now it'll be easier to hook to our pedal set and install it. Alright, so let's get these installed here on the bug. So this is the little piece that goes back behind here. So we're going to put it back in here. This kind of helps hold the pedals up. Alright, so I installed the master cylinder plunger. I think I'm going to take this off. I think this is going to be easier to put on after the pedal is in there. It's one less thing to line up. So let me go take this off. Alright, so we got that off, the master cylinder plunger off of there. Alright, so this is a 17 millimeter. That's a socket.
Wrench?
Socket. That's a socket and a wrench. So it's a socket wrench. That cool?
Yes, socket wrench.
Yep, socket wrench.
Oh, a socket wrench. Do you have a wrench? A socket wrench? Do you have a socket wrench?
Hey, you want to help me?
Yeah.
Hey, come here real quick.
Okay.
Come hold this pedal right here for me.
Sure.
Climb up in here. No, climb right here. Climb right here.
Right here?
Yep, come up in here and hold this pedal back.
Okay. We don't want to touch the battery.
No, here, come here. Come right here. No, come right here. Come right here.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay.
And hold this right here.
Okay.
You hold it right here. Yep, hold it right there. Okay, don't let it go. You got it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hold it tight. Keep doing a good job.
Okay.
You're doing good.
I am doing good. Oh, we cannot turn the key on right now.
No way. God, I can't get this thing in there.
You can't?
And the spring's being a pain.
Yeah. Let me see if I can use
Oh, pull that back. Pull, oh, buddy, pull it back, okay?
Baby.
Yep, you gotta keep it out of my way so I can see.
Bentley's talking to you.
Now you're hurting.
Bentley, what? Bentley's talking to you.
I know, keep holding that though, okay?
Okay.
There, I think I got it.
You got it.
Thanks, buddy. Way to go, dude.
Now can we turn the key on?
Not yet.
Not yet. You want me to get out with the buggy?
You can get out now.
Thanks.
All right, let's get this clutch cable tightened up. All right, got that adjusted. All right, so we're gonna hook our gas pedal back up. I already unhooked it from the back by the carburetor. So let's get this thing hooked in. Okay, and we'll go adjust it in the back. All right, so we got everything hooked up. We got our pedals and everything good. Gas pedal's good. Feels like my spring back there might need a new one, so the pedal will return back properly. But yeah, so the emergency brake works, so that's what I'm gonna use to just try to move it out of the garage under its own power. I'm gonna throw a seat in here real quick, and then we'll see what happens. I'm pretty excited. You want a seat in here?
Yeah?
You're in the way of the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, we're not going to put your seat in, okay?
Okay.
You can just sit on the floor. Is that cool?
No.
You want a seat?
Yeah.
All right, well, let me move some tools out of the way.
Okay.
We'll put them up here. And I'll go get you a seat. I said this seat is pretty dirty. I need to put something on it so you don't...
Is it dirty?
Yeah, it's very dirty. I really need to clean it.
With water?
Need to fix it too. Here, I'll stick it right here. See if it'll hang out in here.
Now can I come out?
Hold on.
Now can I come out?
Hold on, buddy.
How can I? How can I come out?
Alright, hold on. Let me put something down for you to sit on. Alright, sit in. Climb on in there.
Okay. Yeah.
You ready to see if it'll move? Okay. right, here goes nothing. Close your door, okay? You coming, bud? See what happens. Alright, so we need to fix our spring on our carburetor. It's not springing back, so it's causing it to stay wide open. So we'll work on that real quick, and then we'll try to, maybe we'll drive it out to the front yard. Alright, we need to let this thing cool down, probably set the valve, or check the valves on it, and look at setting the carb up as well, so we can get it running right. Can't get it to go into reverse for some reason, so we need to figure that out as well. So I guess that's what we'll work on. Alright, so I think I figured it out. We'll see. So let's give it a try. Ready? Had no clue, but you have to push down on your shift lever, and that's how you get it in reverse. Go figure, right? We got it figured out though. High five. Yes. Alright everyone, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I'm super excited that we got this thing running and driving on its own. So that is a huge success right there for us. So the next thing we'll do probably on the next video is we're going to be checking the valves clearances, make sure that's all set up, and then we'll relook at that carburetor to try to get it fine-tuned as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I need to change anything, or if you have any tips that might help me in getting the carburetor adjusted properly. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.